everybody, this is Curtis with Quality Truck and Tire here, and I just wanted to take some time and go over our latest build here for Creekside Dumpsters. One of our real good customers. This is the third truck we have built for him, and I just wanted to take some time and go over some of the features and benefits of the Multilift Ultima series. So if you just follow me, I'll go over some of it. So this is the Multilift Ultima 14S. It is a 30,000 pound lift, 54/62 adjustable hook height. This one we custom painted his green. It's kind of his theme colors. So some of you guys are seeing a lot of the green hoists we build. It's for him. And so this one, the biggest thing with the Ultima series is the steel construction. It's a grade 80 steel, so it's a hardened steel. It's much lighter and stronger, so you can get some pretty serious weight savings, but still have your strength with these. So that translates to more payload. And then these right here, if you look, so these wings help when you are in the container, when you're loading the container and it's kind of at an angle or a side load situation. It helps right the container and bring it onto the roller, so it helps reduce the damage to the back of your truck and having to position multiple times. Similar to like a cable style roll off where it just guides it onto the truck. Also, it's one of the lowest mounting heights in the industry for the container, so you got a lower center of gravity. The hoists themselves have a float feature, so when you have a container on and it's loaded, it doesn't sound like a freight train going down the road. It kind of helps float on there and smooth out the ride. The rear cylinders, actually both cylinders, are in double shear, so it helps eliminate the cylinder heads and the pins from walking out. And all of the pins on this are made out of T1 steel, so it's a very hard steel, and then they are zinc coated for durability. Most other manufacturers use stainless steel for corrosion resistance, but a lot of times the strength just isn't there. They have wear pads that are serviceable from outside. You do not have to separate the jib. You can just unscrew the pads and add new wear pads to the jib. Moving back, these are the inside container locks. Multilifts come standard with them, and they have a pull limiter, so you can run multiple size boxes and it stops the jib automatically, so you do not have to pull it. It doesn't pull it over the rear rollers. We can add outside container locks to match competitively, into your fleet as well. This truck has the optional rear steel plate that we have added. They typically come with a plastic cover back here. And so this helps protect a little bit more when you are pulling up some heavy demolition boxes. Helps protect some of the electronics that are under there. There are a few, like a sensor board under there. So we did this per customer request. One of the big advantages with going with the truck built by Quality Truck and Tire is how we build the back bumper. We make a clean cut back here. We try to get this roller as far back to the end of the truck as possible. A lot of times you'll see roll-off trucks and hook lift trucks with damaged rear bumpers. A lot of times it's from loading a container at an angle, some tight job sites, and the dumpster itself will hit right here and rip up the bumper and bend it in. Many manufacturers will give like a dovetail to do so it follows more ICC specs, but in the end it really only hurts the truck, and you'll see guys running around with knocked out taillights, you name it. So we build a very clean cut here with this eyebrow guard to protect all of our lights when you're dumping. Typically we try to get it to where the back of the dumpster is right here, if possible. You get a better dump angle, and it's more efficient for you because things come out farther, better in the wintertime as well. Right here we have some light boxes. They're fully Frenched in. closed on the back, so you don't have to worry about things getting in them or breaking the lights. Typically, we also do glad hands and our electrical connections here for other trucks. This one, he isn't running an air trailer. So we use flush mount taillights. They bolt on. A lot of trucks you'll see with the grommet style lights, they come out. You're at the landfill and you got guys dragging lights everywhere. So we use these, they're a hybrid. This outer ring is a reverse light. And then the inner is stop tail turn. So it's a nice clean look, and it gives us the ability to add more work lights. You know, we can French them into the bumper, anything the customer needs. We also fully weld the angle iron for the mud flat brackets, because we know the first thing that happens at a landfill or on a job site, the mud flaps get caught or get ripped off. That also bends everything too. So we try to keep the mud flaps a little shorter and mounted securely so that they're safe. This truck we did steel fenders on, diamond plate grip. That way, if they ever need to get up, grease the hoist, anything like that, it just got better serviceability. And this one is equipped with the Donovan SWAT system. It is an electric over hydraulic. I'll show you over here. It runs off of a remote control, so you can run it outside of the truck. We also have the ability with the Ultima series of Multilift to add that function in for the valve bodies, and you can run it through the hooklift's remote control as well. So yeah, here's the control box. You can run it electronically from the truck, or you can run it with the remote control as well. Works the same as the standard other rack and pinion systems, but it's a lot better and a cleaner situation. That way the TART system is independent from the hooklift system in case there was a failure of either one. So yeah, this is the overview of this truck. We're gonna go outside and get some nice pictures of it. This truck, it's the owner-operator's truck, and we went a little farther than we normally would with builds, and it's equipped with a few nice features that look better in the dark. So stay tuned and we'll show you more.